To assess how different milks and alternative liquids affect soap characteristics, I thought I'd run an experiment. I'm making a bunch of 100% coconut oil soaps, replacing 50% of the water content with a range of liquid substitutes and seeing how these additives affect the final soap. I'm Rox. Let's get cracking. This time I'm trying rice milk. I've made the rice milk myself using 1 part cooked white basmati to 2 parts water, like I do with oat milk. I blended it up and filtered it to remove the solids. As it's a grain, it's high in carbs, so contains sugars which should increase lather. The fat content is negligible, so no extra super fat. I know rice milk soap is a thing, but I'm not entirely sure why. It's reputed to lighten skin, but I'm very sceptical about that claim, to say the least. So I'm just going to pour the rice milk into the oil, add the lye and blend it up to emulsion, then into the mould it goes. I thought this was harder. It's still a bit squishy around the edges as I turn it out. You won't be able to tell on camera, but it's very opaque, very matte looking in fact. On the inside where I cut it, it seems grainy in appearance, but that's probably just because I've cut it too soon. I'll let it dry off for an hour or two before testing this time. Okay, here we go. Well, there's some bubbles. After all, it's a coconut oil soap, but I wouldn't say it's boosted by the rice milk despite the sugar content. It's not becoming very creamy either. I'm decidedly underwhelmed, especially as right after this, when I dried my hands, my skin felt horribly dry, more so than with the straight coconut oil soap. As of now, I'm not rating rice milk, but I'm not writing it off just yet either. Have to wait and see. That's rice milk soap. Fingers crossed for a better result with the next soap. Thanks for watching. Ta-ta!
Trendy.